10 years old and today I will be showing you how to make chicken cordon bleu and garlic butter noodles. Here are the ingredients for chicken cordon bleu. Skinless, boneless chicken breast, Swiss cheese, black forest ham, salt and pepper, breadcrumbs, egg wash, and flour. Take your saran wrap and put it over the butterflied chicken breasts. Now this is the really fun part. You'll take the flat side of your mallet and then kind of just hammer them down. Now we're going to season our chicken breast with some salt and pepper. Then add your ham and cheese. You'll put it on one side and then you will fold it. And now you will bread your chicken. So first you will start with some flour and just coat it on each side. You want to get it floured up very nicely. And then you want to rub it around in the egg on each side. This makes the breadcrumbs stick. Then you're going to put it in the breadcrumbs. And then you're kind of just going to scoop it on top. Before placing them in the oven, you will take them and very carefully set them in hot oil. You want to brown them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. After browning, you will put your chicken into a 375-degree preheated oven, and this will help the chicken get more cooked and the cheese will get really melty and gooey. You'll set your timer to 25 minutes. While the chicken's in the oven, I'm going to make the perfect side dish for chicken cordon bleu. It's garlic butter noodles. You will need bow tie noodles, garlic, half a stick of butter, and salt and pepper. Once your butter is melted, you will add your minced garlic of 3 cloves. Then you will stir it all. After cooking the noodles and the garlic is brown, I'm going to pour them in. And then stir. If you even want to, you can add your favorite vegetables, but I like mine just plain with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Yum! Dinner served!